This is a speed test between the iPhone 17 Pro Max versus its predecessor, the iPhone 16 Pro Max from last year. Now the 17 Pro Max has the A19 Pro chipset, which is a 3nm chipset. This one comes with iOS 26 fresh out the box, has Apple GPU 6-core graphics, 12 gigs of RAM. Now the 17 Pro Max, you can spec this up to have up to 2 terabytes of storage, absolutely nuts, versus its predecessor, the iPhone 16 Pro Max from last year. This one has the A18 Pro, also a 3nm chipset. This one has been updated to the iOS 26 as well, 8 gigs of RAM. So let's go ahead and turn on both of these iPhones at the same time and see which one has the faster boot up. And let's go. iPhone 17 Pro Max versus iPhone 16 Pro Max. Speed test comparison. Which iPhone will have the faster boot up? Let's find out in a few seconds. And the 17 Pro Max slightly out in front. And we are in. I'm gonna go ahead and swipe in this direction. These are the apps I'm going to be using for this speed test. I'm gonna do this on both the iPhones here, and as you can see, there is nothing in the background. All apps, caches, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very fast on both, maybe the 17 Pro Max slightly faster. Calculator, about the same. Let's go ahead and do a quick calculation here, and we'll leave it there. Messages, very fast. Camera, ooh, maybe that was actually the 16 Pro Max. Let me know down below. We'll go ahead and switch to the front facing here. We'll leave it there. App Store, ooh, very fast on both. Let me know down below which one was faster. Let's go ahead and just click on a random thing here. We'll leave it there. Amazon. Ooh, let me know down below. We'll go ahead and click on this thing. We'll leave it there. eBay. Ooh, very close again. I think the 17 is out in front by a very slight margin. We'll go ahead and click on this watch. We'll leave it there. Snapchat, 17 Pro. Facebook, Draw, Instagram. Ooh, 16 Pro Max on that one. Threads, 17 Pro. Angry Birds 2. Starting up here on both. Looks like the 17 is ahead. Ooh, very close. Yeah, I'm gonna give the slight win to the 17 Pro here. Mario Run. I think the 17 is ahead. Yup, we'll give the win to the 17. Oh, very close on this part though. Sonic Boom. Oh, very close, but I think the 17 is out in front. We'll play. Subway Surf. Oh, so close, but I think again the 17 Pro Max out in front by literally a tenth of a second, maybe even less than that. Tap to play. Temple Run 2. Very close. I think the 17 is ahead. Yup. 17 Pro Max is out in front. We'll confirm that here. And there you go. We'll play. We do have the clock app. Just for giggles, we'll run this just cause. All right, let's go ahead and test out the RAM management on both phones. Everything's in the background. As you can see, clock app is here, still running as I expect. And we do have the temple run here. We can continue, not a problem. The Subway Surf, we can resume this. Non-issue. Let's get out of there. Now, honestly, I think both of these phones will zoom through these apps. No sweat. But we'll go ahead and run through it. Just to, you know, to document. Mario Run. Good to go. Angry Birds 2. No issues. Threads. Same thing. Instagram. So fast. Facebook. Super quick. Snapchat. So fast. eBay. We'll click on this. And pretty much a draw. Amazon. We'll click on this dude. I mean, yeah, nice and snappy. App Store. There you go. Camera. Ooh, a little bit faster. Actually, take that back. This phone doesn't have like the preserved setting on the camera, so that's not a reload or anything. Messages. Same thing. Calculator. Still there. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know down below what you thought about this matchup. Did you go out and get yourself the brand spanking new iPhone 17 Pro Max? Let me know in the comments below what you think about that orange color that they came out with. I was about to go with that color. Instead, I went with the silver one, but honestly, I might return this and get that orange one because that orange one is pretty sick. And finally, Apple did like a fun color, right, on a Pro device. And also, what do you think about the iPhone Air? Super thin, made out of titanium and glass, just like the old Pros. Not sure about the battery life on that device. It only has one camera lens though, so that's kind of eh. For $1,000, you get the iPhone Air. I mean, for 200 more, I'd rather just spend the 200 and get myself a Pro device. If you're rocking the iPhone 16 Pro Max from last year, are you gonna stick with this phone? Or, you know, are you gonna upgrade to the 17 Pro Max? Honestly, if it was up to me, I mean, unless if you're the type of person that has to have a new device every year, if you have an iPhone 16 Pro Max, there's no need for you to, you know, upgrade to the 17 Pro Max. I mean, the 16 Pro Max, as you saw in this speed test, is still pretty snappy, pretty fast. I mean, the A18 Pro chipset, I mean, that's a beast of a chip. No worries, you got many more years if you have an iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let me know your thoughts about this quick little speed test in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.